Good morning, Pirates. Happy Friday. It's Mr. Anderson coming at you Friday morning from Friday, April 17th in the morning from my home in Golden Valley. I'm having some coffee. Just got back from a run, a workout, and just like I said, wanted to drop you a line, say good morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope this little video message finds you well. I'm going to keep it short and sweet this morning. Going to remind you of a couple things that are due and things that you're going to want to take care of to positively impact your grade. I'll invite you to check out my screen here. I've modified a couple things per the request of some of you guys. We've got our extended flex learning continuing to happen, so you're going to find most of what you need on Khan Academy and Schoology. And our Schoology page looks like this, nonlinear algebra, and we've got our Khan Academy link here. And for those of you guys who have not joined it yet, I've included that join code right here. Okay, and so the only thing you're going to need to do is take note of that and go to log in. Now, maybe you're struggling to get logged into Khan Academy, and if you are, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to just show you that real quick. It's super duper easy. If you've already done that, I'll help you in just a moment. But excuse me for just a second while we help those folks who need help getting logged in. Check it out, Khan Academy. I'm going to go there. This is what it looks like, and you're going to have the option in the upper right-hand corner. Just click Sign Up, and when you do that, you're going to be brought to this kind of a window. Now, I'm already logged in. I'm actually going to log out so I can walk you through that process. I'm going to make an account. All right, let's go to Sign Up here. And you're going to be a learner, and you've got to punch in your birthday. Now, my birthday is September 2nd. Oh, man, there we go. Oh, 1980. Woo! All right, you guys are going to have the opportunity to continue with Google. I'm going to sign up with a different non-Google email. All right, and this is kind of an email that I use occasionally. You can put in your first name and your last name. Helps me out because then I can sort you guys alphabetically. And you can make your password. You can follow the Google one. My password is going to be Anderson Rules with an exclamation point. Whether you agree or not, I don't know. All right, now I'll click Sign Up. And that's really all you need to do. Okay? In terms of getting in. Now, you're going to have the ability, when you get in here, to go ahead and do a ton of different things. It'll ask you, hey, what grade are you in? You can go ahead and do that. It'll ask you what class. You guys can just click on Algebra 1. They don't have nonlinear algebra in Khan Academy. That's kind of a name that's been created by our district, and that's no big deal. Khan Academy is still going to be able to work for us. All right? And you can go through all these things. You can pick a username. You can edit your bio. You can do all these things. But when you go over here to your profile, you're going to be able to earn badges just like you would on, I don't know, any sort of game or anything like that. If you click on progress, you're going to be able to see everything that you've done. You're going to be able to click on teachers, and eventually in just a moment you're going to see me once you click join a class. And the class you want to click on, or the class you want to type in, is going to be our join code here, this VXZUMFSF. So it's literally just VXZU, what was it, MS? VXZUMFSF. And if you type that in and you click join the class, it's going to say, hey, oh my gosh, nonlinear algebra, Park Center, Mr. Anderson, yay! Okay, and when you're there, initially it's not going to look like anything happens. But this is when you take just a moment, you email me, you say, hey Anderson, I joined the class. Then I go to my Khan Academy site over here, and I say, oh, so-and-so emailed me, let me see. And I see that you've been added to our class. Whoa, all right. And I can click update on my end, which allows me to deliver all of the assignments and everything like that to you. Let me see here. Give me just a moment. Go like this. Gotta make just a quick amendment here. I had this all set up, but then Khan Academy logged me back out. Sorry folks, I didn't plan on this. This is going to make this video just a tiny bit longer. Alright, so I can click update, and when I do that, it'll give you, or in this case me, everything you need to be able to see in order to access our content and earn the grade that you want to earn. So check it out. Now you can click on courses, and when you do so, change my login again. Dang it. We're going to have to go like this. I'm going to log out. I'm going to log back in with that password I just made. Log in. That email again is r3anderson. Oh, I gotta spell it right though. r3anderson@yahoo. And the password is Anderson Rules with an exclamation point. Log in. There we go. And now, once you log back in or you click on courses, you're going to see this button right here that says assignments. And in that assignments tab, you're going to be able to see everything that's coming up that you have due. And you can click start on it. Some of them are videos, some of them are exercises. You'll be able to see scores when you've earned a score on them, and you'll be able to see when they're due. Okay? A couple of really important assignments for you guys are our quiz. Our quiz is going to be due, our third quiz is going to be due by end of day tomorrow. Okay? So by tomorrow, Saturday, the 18th at 11:59, you got to have that quiz done. Sunday is going to be our unit assessment. That's when we're going to be able to get through and earn a summative score on some of these topics on exponential growth. So check that out. Try those things as many times as you like to in order to get the score that you want. All right, those things are there for you to be able to, like I said, earn the score you want. Okay, I will just modify this. This is going to be due by the end of day Saturday, the 18th, and this is going to be exponential growth and decay. This assessment is going to be due by the end of day Sunday, the 19th. All right, so those things are there. They're ready for you. I have office hours every single day from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And if you need to jump in and hang with me, go ahead and do so. And that link is just right here. Click on it, hop in from 9 to 11. If you need to meet with me outside of those times, email me. Email me. We'll set something up where we can both do the Google Meets, Google Hangouts. The only conflict I have is I have a meeting with Miss Millersink today at 1. So I imagine 1 to 2 is kind of off limits for me today. But otherwise, we should be in a-okay shape. All right? Ladies and gents, I hope you're doing well. All right? I said this yesterday. I'm going to repeat it again today. It sucks on a Friday when it's going to be gorgeous out to have to be social distancing, to have to be sheltering in place at home, and to be stuck where we are. All right? But doing this today means that we're one day closer to not having to do this anymore. And I know it's hard, but if we keep it up, ladies and gents, we're going to get through this. All right? I hope you're healthy and I hope you're staying safe, and I can't wait until I get to see you again soon. Have a great day.